G'day friends, it's Andrew Goodall here again from Nature's Image Photography, and today I want to share another very special bird photography experience taken on the Panasonic Lumix G9 with the Leica Panasonic 100-400mm lens. Before we start, if this is your first visit to the channel, be sure to subscribe for loads more content on the G9 and my whole world of photography. So it's springtime, and in southeast Queensland that means the red bottlebrush trees are in flower. These tasty little treats bring in all sorts of birds, among them one of my favourites, the scarlet honeyeater. They're not exactly rare, but they are usually pretty hard to find, and right now they're out in numbers. Most bird photographers have their own favourite spots to see them. Mine is this quiet little residential street in Mullaney. There are lots of scarlet honeyeaters here, but that doesn't mean they're easy to photograph. They're tiny birds and there are plenty of places for them to hide. But I've made a few visits in the past week to see the scarlets, and some other birds as well, and now I want to share the experience with you. I'm going to show you my photos along with some of the camera settings, plus some slow motion video clips using the VFR function on the G9. And believe me, these guys are so quick, slow motion is really the best way to see what they're up to. So bird lovers, sit back and enjoy.